Can you dig it, sucker? Can you dig it, sucker? Can you dig it, sucker?
It ain't over until it's over. What's poppin', Shea Butter Nation? Welcome back to the Mr.District channel. You rockin' with your brother, none other than Medic Shea Butter, and we've been keeping it smooth on this channel since, you know what it is. Anywho, if you're new here, welcome. Love, peace, and hair grease to you. Do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, like button, notification bell, so you can stay in tune with what we do, when we do what we do on this channel. You already part of Shea Butter Nation? From the bottom of my little bitty heart, I appreciate you. All right? We're going to keep this thing growing, keep this thing pumping. But we are a reaction channel, and that's what we do here on this channel. We are going to react. I have a new, I think this is a group because it says brothers, but I've never listened to them. The Teskey brothers, and the song is called Rain. Now, that sounds like a sad title, but you never know. It could mean anything. But before we get into this, if you're new, subscribe. Outside of that, let's get into this. You dig? All right. Before he even starts singing now, he gave a little peek that, he gave a little peek. But through my experience, when a cat is holding their chest before they start singing, it's about to go down. Let's get back. Oh, man. Hey, that's, dang, who is this? He remind me of an old time singer. But man, he like, that's soul right there. That sound that came out of his mouth, that you might think was his voice, that's soul. He losing a little bit of his soul, giving that to you. Appreciate that. Yeah, I can't even get the. Let's get back.
Are you dying again? Would be the same if I could hold you, my fam. I know it's hard be alone. A soul with no face is a lonely base, but I know it's hard, and I know it's hard to be alone. Yeah.
Man, I was not expecting this. Like, I don't know, maybe I judged the book by its cover. This dude looked like he could be like a guy that works in tech or something, you know, programming computers. And he coming out here looking like Soul Brother number 5. Man. And he told you, he said, hey, I know it's hard to be alone. Sometimes you just gotta be alone. Gotta be. This dude, vocals is off the chain. Now, I don't see another brother. I see one brother. I don't know, maybe he'll come in later. Let's get back.
Now this cloud still walk across. 'Cause I know it's hard to be alone.
Man, this is killing me right now. I have the beat of the song. I can almost hear the words. It's an old time song. Even the beat sound like it, but he sounds like this song. Anyways, I stopped for a bar check. The man said, even though the road might be a fog, we could still walk along. Hey, that's a life bar right there. It might not be the clearest, you might not be able to see where you're going or your destination all the time, but still keep walking. Still keep moving towards what you're trying to get, all right? That's what I took out of it. Let's get back.
A soul with no face is a lonely place, and I know it's hard, and I know it's hard to be alone, to be alone. Yeah, yeah. Oh, so little. Won't you come to me now? I wanna hold you in any way I know how. 'Cause it's lying down with the power of more. I wanna hold you in any way I know how.
Don't do him like that. Don't do him like that. Don't do him like that. Now, I've said on my channel before, there are musicians and there are artists. Artists make it look easy, effortless. This dude look like he talking. Like normally, you know, to have that type of delivery, you'll see like the strain on their face and their brow line. He make it look easy, like he just, you know, he telling you what's on his mind. Love that. Let's get back.
But if there rain, or am I crying again? A soul with no face is a lonely base, but I know it's hard, and I know it's hard to be alone, to be alone. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, 'cause I know it's hard, and I know it's hard, but you ain't gonna be alone.
Wow, hey, this dude's voice is on some next level stuff. I still can't think of that old time song, but man, this takes you back to some soul singing right here. And let's address the message, okay? Sometimes, I want to say everybody, because I don't know everybody's situation, but most people, you'll go through phases where you feel like only you going through. Sometimes you feel alone. Sometimes you feel depressed. Sometimes it's some anger that's just sat up in you, and you know you feel like you're the only person going through. To have somebody tell you that they know, maybe they can't relate to it, maybe they can't talk you, you know, out of what you're doing, but have somebody to let you know that they know how you are going through your situation, how you feeling. They can't fix it, but they know. And if a person knows, that means they've have enough care that they've seen changes in you, and that's probably due to your situation. Like, hey, I can't fix what you're going through, but I know you're going through. You need me. That is big to have somebody do that for you, because at the end of the song, he said, you're not gonna be alone. That's a message, all right? So, the Teskey brothers, Rain, Thumbs Up, playlist, Heavy in the Whip. Love the sound, love the vibe. This is what I consider soul singing, all right? Soul singing. And the man has one of those throwback voices, if you will. So anywho, that's gonna be it for that reaction video. If you're new, subscribe. If you're already part of Shea Butter Nation, I appreciate you. Meantime, in between time, holla at me, I'ma holla at you. But right now, peace.
Can you dig it, sucker?